Hello, if you're a primary care physician, this message is for you. I'm a primary care physician. I'm Dr. Huffman from Florida Injury Medical Centers. I'm board certified in family medicine and recently recertified, but I don't practice family medicine. I treat injured patients, patients that have been in auto accidents, patients that typically you do not treat because of the hassles of the dealing with insurance from the auto insurers that rarely pay, the reports that need to be done, the off work slips, dealing with attorneys, deposition, court appearances. So a typical primary care physician will just tell the patient, I don't do that, I don't know where to go. Well, unfortunately, patients end up in places they shouldn't be. In the past, it was a pill mill where they would be placed on opioids and then sent back to you to be detoxed. Currently, they're being sent into centers where they do excessive procedures or imaging or other unnecessary testing. With our system, using a telemedicine portal, your patients can access us 24/7 anywhere in the state of Florida. They can contact a board-certified medical physician at no cost, 866-402-4250. If they choose to use us, we'll link them to our telemedicine portal, simple text link to their phone, nothing to buy, nothing to download, no commitments. They see the physician, we bill the insurer so the patient is not billed directly for that visit. Then we diagnose the patient. We can place them on medication if necessary. We can order imaging if necessary. We have over 100 locations in the state of Florida where we work with physical therapists, rehab centers, chiropractic physicians if you're comfortable with that, other physical rehab centers from the Keys to the Panhandles. So we will put them into a center, start the rehab process, but most importantly, we continue to communicate with you about their status. So if they're diabetic or hypertensive and they're having issues, I'm going to pick up on that, where a lot of these centers pay no attention to that and ignore those underlying medical conditions. So you'll be in the loop, although you aren't required to do any paperwork or do anything in terms of the treatment process. You at least know what's going on with your patient and their status. So if you'd like to learn more about this and how it may benefit your patients and your practice, give me a call anywhere in the state of Florida, 24/7 at 866-402-4250. Thank you.